Hey guys, we are getting ready to head over to the Harry Potter area to do the Hagrid's motorbike adventure. Now, Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure actually opened in 2019, but it's become a very popular ride in this park.
It's actually one of my favorite rides to get on. You get really immersed into the world of Harry Potter. You're going to see some familiar characters, lots of fun. It has a couple of, has that takeoff, that kind of acceleration in the ride.
It has 7 accelerations, 7 launches. It goes backwards, and it actually has a free fall drop. It is the only coaster in the United States, as far as I know of, that has a free fall drop in the middle of it.
Yeah, so lots of twists and turns, some surprises. So get ready for a good time. We'll let you guys know what we think about it afterwards.
Yes.
For the health and safety of everyone, we encourage you to continue to maintain social distance between you and other travel parties and to wash your hands often. We encourage all guests to follow CDC guidelines and to wear face coverings while indoors. Thank you for your cooperation. We encourage you to continue to maintain social distance between you and other travel parties and to wash your hands often. We encourage all guests to follow CDC guidelines and to wear face coverings while indoors. Thank you for your cooperation.
Walking through the queue line here. Oh, I see Hufflepuff on the wall right there. Hufflepuff. I hadn't seen that before.
That'll be promising. Oh, I've got some Cornish pages for you to see. And if we're lucky enough to lure one in, a unicorn.
Oh. Well, I think it's time to give this idea a go. Stand back.
Jiminy! Oh, that's just marvelous, Arthur.
Not bad. I think we're
Right. Arthur's been doing a bit of tinkering with the bike. Making some improvements, you might say. Let's hit that purple button.
careful, Hagrid. Your dragonfire is for emergencies only.
No, big! Let's get them back to their cave, come on! My runs!
They feed on flames, you know. They do. I wasn't planning to show them to you today, though.
Put me down!
Oh, blimey, you've done it, Arthur.
Dragonfire could not have been smoother. Well, for apart from the, you know.
Yes, well, that's not quite how that's supposed to work. Everyone all right? Let's leave this to me.
Aquamenti!
Oh, fine. No. We'll be there for this.
These pixies.
With my music.
fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
You're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem.
That was close. Oh, you found my missing string. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Hold on. Rapid fire's got a kick. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be great.
All right, everybody, so we just finished up on Hagrid's motorbike adventure. Super cool ride.
Yes.
Absolutely loved it. What do you think, Shay?
Oh, I love it. I love it. I've only been on it. It's my second time going on it. First time I got on it, I was actually all the way in the very last car, but this time we were much closer, so it was even better.
Yep.
Yeah,
and
it was awesome.
You can kind of pick your seat too. You can decide if you want to sit on the actual motorbike or if you want to sit in a sidecar. So depending on how you're feeling on any given day, you can sit up, have a little bit more freedom, or a little bit more sense of danger, or you can sit in a little sidecar, feel a little bit more protected.
I love the motorbike.
Yeah, super cool. Of course, this ride used to be the Dueling Dragons, so you'll kind of see a little bit of the Dueling Dragons homage when you first walk into the castle area, but then everything else is really decked out to reflect the Harry Potter experience. You're going to see some dragon eggs, you're going to see all kinds of stuff in there. So what do you think?
I love it. It's awesome. I love Harry Potter, so obviously, because I got the tattoo, so I love Harry Potter. So.
2 thumbs up, guys. Definitely check it out.